Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cartoon animation only using your phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I recommend you to visit this website, Pixverse website, app.pixverse.ai, and then we're going to use the AI on this website to create cartoon animation. Okay, right after you visit this website, you need to sign up to this website. You can use your Google account to sign up, and after you have signed up to this website, you will get 60 credits for free. You will get daily free credits, okay, as you can see here, and then you just need to choose image or text, and then you can describe the content that you want to create. And for the content, I have asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me scene by scene, and I'm going to generate my first scene. Okay, I'm going to copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Why I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, because I'm not good in making prompt, and of course the prompt from ChatGPT will be better than mine. So we need to paste the detailed prompt, guys, so the AI can generate the best video for us. Okay, and then I'm going to click on create. It needs 20 credits to create a video. Actually, you can upload an image as references, but here I'm just going to use the prompt. If you have reference, you can upload it right here before you generate the video with AI. Okay, scene 1 is done. This is for the scene 1. And if you want to download it, you can click on download, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay, and I'm going to generate the second scene. So I'm going to delete this prompt and let's move to the second scene. I'm going to go back to the ChatGPT, and this is the second scene. Scene 2. Okay, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it on the Pixverse, and then I'm going to click on create. Okay, you can create scene by scene, guys, and then at the end you can compile all the scenes you have using video editor such as InShot or CapCut or VN, and then you can add music and add narration to make it more captivating. Okay, the second scene is ready, and wait, okay, this is how the video looks like. That's so cool. And okay guys, that's all the way to create animation video using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.